Can online classes replace traditional classes? I don't really think they can. Online classes are nothing like traditional classes. With traditional classes, you can have one-on-one with your teacher, learn social skills, and you can learn better through kinesthetic learning. Kinesthetic learning is where you use your hands, and it's more of like writing on the board and everything. And the way I have credibility with this is right now we're in a pandemic and we're all going through this. One-on-one, you can better understand, like the students can better understand. And by that I mean the teachers are able to talk to them rather than a computer screen. And with that, it's just easier. And being able to ask questions. The computer, you can't really ask questions. You can put it in a search engine, but it's not the same. And you can also get more help. You can get it explained way better than a computer. Another one is social skills. And social skills, through school, you can get active listening. And active listening is basically listening to everyone and you comprehending it and everything. And that's kind of hard to do when you have a computer and not really hearing it. And another one would be socializing with friends. On a computer, you don't really have friends. You have online friends, but it's not the same. You don't have like hugs and all kinds of things. You don't know how to do things like that. Another one under the social skills would be group projects / presentations. It's a lot harder to work with people, and you can't really get that same experience with computers. You don't really work with people, and if you do, it's more of text messaging, and that's not the same as talking to them and getting ideas from each other. Another one under social skills would be social problem solving. With that, you can figure out how to deal with real problem things. Say you and your friend are arguing and you need to talk it out. You can't do that really through a computer because they're more meant to each other if it's face to face. Effective communication. You get communication through talking to people. You can't do that on a computer. I mean, you could do FaceTime, but it's still not the same as talking with people like together. The next one is kinesthetic learning. Hands-on activities, and when I put that, I mean that they can write what they want on the board. You can still do that, but it's not the same because most of the stuff on the computer you type. You can do that, and you can also understand better while the teacher explains it to you too. And traditional classes give this. Online classes, not so much. Another one for kinesthetic learning is active participation. You can raise your hand and you can communicate with others through a problem. Say the teacher asks something about what's your favorite sport, and then you can explain, like mine is softball and maybe someone others is baseball, and then we can communicate through each other and see why we both like that sport. And lastly, in conclusion, online classes are better for many, many reasons. Online classes are nothing like traditional classes. With traditional classes, you can have one-on-one with your teacher, learn social skills, and you can learn better through kinesthetic learning. Overall, traditional classes are better than online classes. Thank you.